Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix unable to change time zone. Your changes could not be saved. First method is click Start Settings. Click Privacy. Click Location. Make sure location for this device is turned on. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type TZUTIL /L. Select and copy your time zone. Type TZUTIL /S. Double quote, paste already copied time zone name, double quote. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.